Alright, so we have 18 minutes now. All day we've been trying to delete space. I figured it out. I had to use my phone, plugged up my phone to my laptop, went to like the search, typed in screenshots, and then it showed me screenshots that it wouldn't show me on the phone. Like they didn't go in the folder anymore. So they were inside of the. Then I had to right click it and pick like open file location, and then find out they're in like the app data folder. So I just deleted the entire app data folder, just all of it. And now I got like 2 gigabytes. So that left me like 18 minutes, like 2.5 gigabytes. So I guess 2.5 gigabytes is 20 minutes. So 4 gigabytes would be like 40 minutes, 45 minutes, less than an hour, 4 gigabytes type shit. 4 gigabytes, a smooth hour type shit. So every hour is about 4 gigabytes, four times um, 24 hours, four times 20. I'm just trying to, do the math for that. So anyway, black guy dipping. I didn't put any dip in yet. It's right here. It's right here, man. Calm down. Black guy dipping. We're gonna have dip in all the videos. I'm gonna have to start buying because I dip like I had to buy a personal can and like a on camera can for like when I'm filming. So you know what I'm saying? Real talk. Like I'm really in the dipping community right now. So I want to just like take control of the community, take charge, and be like a leader in the community because it's just a bunch of dippers. So you just like, it's just a bunch of people stuffing tobacco in their mouth, right? But like, there's still people just like weed smokers or drinkers, alcohol drinkers, alcoholics or whatnot. You know what I'm saying? Like they're all like people, and they have bills and rent and phone bills and YouTube Pro or whatever it's called bills and Amazon Prime bills and Netflix bills. Just bills. Can you pay your bills? You know what I'm saying? Can you pay your automobiles? You know what I'm saying? Can you pay your telephone bills? I don't think you do. So you know what I'm saying? So like real shit. Shout out to Destiny's Child for creating a bunch of thoughts, right? Who thought they were independent. Independent thoughts, right? I have independent thoughts. Do you have independent thoughts? I have independent thoughts. Do you have independent thoughts? Or are you an independent thought? This is not a video effect. You are a bobblehead. This is you. When you look in the mirror, this is what you see, nigga. You're a bobblehead. Real talk, right? So, we out here. And, still in dip yet, chat. I know what you're saying. Fuck you, man. Look. Alright, damn it. It was gonna be hard to do that like this. You gotta hurry up. Speed dip, speed dip, dip. Oh, you saw that? It hit the camera. Hit the screen. Alright, so look, it's Sunday, right? Sunday, July 24th, 2022 at 4:19 p.m. Eastern time. So the Forex market, right? The foreign currency exchange market, the Forex market is about to open up in an hour and a half, like an hour and 45 minutes, hour and 40 minutes, you know what I'm saying? Hour and 43 minutes, you know what I'm saying? Something like that. About 2 hours. We're in like the 2 hour countdown right now. So just to give you like a recap, like we're about to switch into weatherman mode on your ass real quick. Like we're about to switch into like sports commentary mode real quick because it's like okay, we're a filmmaker, and it's all about analogies, tell the story through anything that relates to how to tell a story. So okay, from that perspective, as a filmmaker, how do we break down the foreign currency market for you? Like okay, we just started it off by saying it was similar to I'll throw a new one out there, like a drag race, NASCAR, sports. That's just another sport. Okay, boxing, like that's the most accurate one. Boxing and like NASCAR, racing, street car driving, Nas in the cars, Fast and Furious type Need for Speed, Hot Pursuit, basically Need for Speed, Hot Pursuit 2, that kind of vibe, and the whole like, and then the free will aspect of it, the non-discipline aspect of it is like if you don't have that discipline aspect of the trade, and now you're just playing Grand Theft Auto, basically online with a bunch of jackasses. It's gonna get really naughty real quickly. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's gonna lose the bag. Real talk, everybody's gonna lose the bag. You know what I'm saying? Some people are gonna win before they lose. Some people are gonna quit after they win. Some people are gonna keep playing after they win and lose. Some people are gonna keep playing after they win and then stop. Some people are gonna keep playing after they win and then lose. It's gonna be a lot of losers and a couple of winners. Real talk. And everybody's gonna win a little bit. They're gonna win just enough to lose. Real talk. They're gonna let you win just so you can try it again, and then you'll lose everything. So let's see what else. the forex market is going to open up. We are trading silver, right? We're trading on FX Choice platform and FX Way platform and Traders Way platform. So we only have money on the FX Choice platform right now where we trade silver. We can't trade silver on Traders Way because they automatically force you to do a point 10, 10 bets in one. So a 10 lot, 10 trades in one. And silver is $18, $20, $19. So you're gonna need $200 in there to do 10 trades because the trade could be negative like 100, 150 easy. So you're gonna have to have that. So with Traders Way, if you send Bitcoin to the account, they'll give you a 100% deposit bonus if you choose that. And then so I'll take 200, throw that on Traders Way, they'll double it, have 400, boom, do one trade on Traders Way for silver, which equals up to 10 trades. It's a point 10 trade, and that's all I need. And then just let that sit. Now, for the FX Choice, that's the best one for me for leverage because they will allow me to get into a silver trade for half of it, for just like $10. You know what I'm saying? I can get into it. Then I will create an Australian dollar account or Canadian dollar account. The Australian dollar is weaker than the Canadian dollar and the US dollar, and the Canadian dollar is stronger than the Australian dollar but still weaker than the US dollars. So meaning if I throw $10 into the Canadian, $10 US into the Canadian account, it might go to like 12. Whereas if I throw in $10 US into the Australian dollar account, it might go to like 13 or 14 or something like that. So, um, I just converted almost $6 from US into Australian, and then it just went to like 7 something. So it's not like real high right now, but sometimes like it is, like the extra $5 for a stretch or whatever. So that's how you stretch your money right there, bro. You take your US dollars and you convert them to Australian dollars. They go further. You know what I'm saying? Real talk. They're going to go further than Australian dollars. Real talk. Just convert your US dollars to Australian dollars. And all the Australians are pissed off now. You know what I'm saying? The Aussie see me on the street, pipe me right in the bloke and throw the bots. Whatever they call the throat bots, man. You know what I'm saying? If I see them blikey, grimy, you know what I'm saying? Grimy, Crocodile Dundee gonna fuck me up for saying that shit like, bro, gnarly. You know what I'm saying? Like, that was not gnarly, dude. You know what I'm saying? That was so not gnarly, dude. You know what I'm saying? Like, what do you have against the Australian dollar? Like, nothing. I love it. Yeah, that was an acorn. Pine cone, sorry. That was a pine cone. You know what I'm saying? It's like, what do you have against Australian dollar? It's like, the next one could fall on my head. Right? When you realize the next one just might fall on your head. Right? Hey, listen. Are we cool up there? Are y'all trees from Australia? You know what I'm saying? Like, what's up? You know what I'm saying? So, now I'm nervous. Now I'm nervous. Now I'm nervous. You're just going to hear a twig snap, and then the clunk is going to be the result. I'm nervous now. I'm really nervous right now. Y'all can't even tell me if y'all hear it. This is crazy. Suspenseful for you, I bet. Right? So, sorry. So, yeah. Yeah. People are weird. So, anyway, we just all shut the fuck up. So, anyway, what was I trying to say? All right, the forex market is going to open up, right? So it's like boxing with the discipline. It's like, okay, you're going to box against the hourly, like, if the hourly chart is all red, I don't have the chart with me right now to see it. So if the hourly chart is all red, then you will be getting ready to get into a buy. Until the hourly chart is all red, don't even consider a buy. Like, the chart, you're gonna go to Google, type in XAGUSD technical analysis. XAGUSD technical analysis. That's gonna take you to the technical analysis page for silver versus the US dollar. And then you're going to go to the hourly tab. You're going to click the hourly tab. Now you're in the hourly. You're going to ride the hourly until the stochastic RSI. Like, you're going to click hourly, then you're going to scroll down the first part of the page. You're going to see the moving averages chart. And you look at the MA5, and that's moving average 5, and then the MA200. look at those. You're basically waiting for those two and every signal in between those two to be completely one color before you go to the other color. Then before you even go to the other color, you go to the hourly, scroll down, you'll see technical indicators, you'll see the RSI, you'll see the stochastic, but it will just say STOCH, the stock, right? And the stock RSI, and then the MACD. Those are the four wise men. You know what I'm saying? Those are the four wise men. So you'll look at the stochastic RSI and the stock. You want, all right, the range of the stock goes from 20 to 80. So anything under 20, you buy it on the stock. Anything over 80, you sell it on the stock. Then you only do that when the stochastic RSI is at 100 or 0. If you're waiting for the stochastic to be 20, you want the stochastic RSI to be 0. The stochastic RSI, you want it to be 100 when you want the stochastic to be over 80. You wait until it's over 80, and the box next to it won't be green or red. It will be gray. It will say neutral, and that is telling you neutral just means it has crossed above or below 50. If it's below 50, it's selling. If it's above 50, it's buying. The range for the RSI is under 30, you buy it. Over 70, you sell it. When it says oversold, then overbought. When it's over 70 or under 30. The rule for the stochastic and the stochastic RSI is you're waiting for 20 or 80 for the stochastic and 0 or 100 for the stochastic RSI. The stochastic RSI and the stochastic, those are known as the twins. We refer to them as the twins. We meaning Isaiah Noble and myself, Hollywood Trades and Chad Films. Hollywood Trades, right? Hollywood Trades, right? He spells it with 3 O's, right? Hollywood Trades and Chad Films, right? So, we refer to the twins, the stochastic and the stochastic RSI. So now after that, that's all you're waiting for. You're waiting for the hourly stochastic RSI to be at 0 or 100. Once they are there, wait for the stochastic to say overbought or oversold at 80 or 100. And sometimes the stochastic will already be oversold or overbought, so the general term for that would be overpurchased. We're just waiting for overpurchased. Overpurchased can be buy or sell. If it's a buy, overpurchase is overbought. Oversold is, overpurchase on the downtrend. It's been down too long. So now you have the, you're just waiting for the twins, the stochastic RSI and the stochastic. You're waiting for the twins. You're waiting for both of them. The stochastic RSI has to be at 0 or 100, and the stochastic has to um, be at 20 or 80 hourly. Then once that happens, you switch over to your 5-minute chart, your 15-minute chart, your 1-minute chart, and your 30-minute chart. Every chart under your hourly, every lower chart under the hourly. Your 1-minute chart, chart number 1. 5-minute chart, chart number 2, 3, chart number 3, 15-minute chart, chart number 4, 30-minute chart. The fifth chart is your hourly chart. The hourly chart is your fifth chart of 9. Of 9. Your monthly is chart 9. Your chart 8 is your weekly, your chart 7 is your daily, and your chart 6 is your 5-hour. Boom, there we go. We have 9 charts here. So when I say your bottom 3 charts, your top 3 charts, bottom meaning your first, charts, the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, the top charts being the biggest charts, the longest charts, the, daily, weekly, monthly, and the middle charts would be the 30-minute, 1 hour, and 5-hour, really. Yeah, 1, 5, 15, boom, 30-minute, 1 hour, 5-hour, boom, daily, weekly, monthly. So your middle charts are what we are looking at starting off. Just so you know, go straight to your 30-minute and your hourly, figure out what it's doing. Okay, the hourly chart is almost all red. So we keep going red until it is all red. Once it is all red, the stochastic and the stochastic RSI will be over purchased at 20, 80, 20 or 80, and 0 or 100. And then you go to your 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute chart, 30 minute chart, and look at the stochastic and stochastic RSI and MACD and RSI for the smaller charts and see, are they now showing greens, because they already went all red. If the hourly went all red, they went all red. So if you go back to them and they're not all red again anymore, they are a little green in them, and the stochastic is green, you go buy. Now this whole time you will go to your 5 hour chart and your daily chart, and you will look at your stochastic and your stochastic RSI. On your 5 hour chart or your daily chart, if you see a stochastic or stochastic RSI that is green and it says buy, which is the same thing, they're going to say buy and it will be green. If it's green and it says buy, the same thing. If it's a green buy right there on the stochastic RSI or stochastic for the daily or the 5 hour chart, even weekly chart, monthly, whatever, one of those middle or top charts, you have to take that signal. So you take that signal until the hourly maxes out, which would be the stochastic and the stochastic RSI. That's what you have to do. So we're going to get ready to implement that strategy for the whole week, and we're going to keep you all posted on that. And when it works out for us, we will show you all every step of the way, and then we'll use the funds to keep making these videos and to do some kind of thing for, like, I'll start some kind of fund for you people out there watching these videos, like, just to show, like I'm a real leader. Like, if you all help me, I'll help you. It's that simple, bro. You know what I'm saying? Real talk. You all always fuck with me, so it's like I'm back, bro. So I'm like, please embrace me with open arms. I'm sorry I've been gone, but now I come with presents and goodies, man. You know what I'm saying? And I'll start some kind of fund. I'll help you all, like how I'm trying to show you all the game on how to do it, and then I'll show you how I'm doing it, and then I'll use some of that money to help you all get started with this shit. You know what I'm saying? And I just ask that, like, you all, like, be, like, nicer to, like, black people and all people, just all people, because it's like I'm gonna say a lot of wild shit. Like, I'm gonna say shit, like, because this is gonna go off in 1 minute, so I'll say it and then go back and explain it later because we're talking money. But like, I'm gonna say shit like, you know, we all just need to understand that it's like, okay, our role as black people is that it's like we were the first people here, so it's like we're like, this is like really our planet, so we're adapted to be here better than anyone else. So it's like we all just need to realize that we all understand that. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not this black's not less than any kind of person. Like, we're the top dogs. We always have been, always will be, and that, that's what it is. So it's like we need to realize that, and just realize that they're just being petty because we're the top dog, and they're mad about it because, like, we're genetically superior to all other races. That's just what it fucking is. You know what I'm saying? And we need to be nice about that, and they need to be nice about that, and we need to work together in harmony, because it's like, if that's true and we have the best genetics, then we have to help these, motherfuckers. They should get our help, but they have to be nice about it. So I'm gonna play my role and work on that, so I'm gonna help you all, help everybody get money, and it's like, everybody just be nice to everybody, motherfucker, because I said so, bitch. What the fuck is your problem? Then I put money